That's right, bitches.
Hola, soy Sata Fernández y este es mi
It's a
outro.
beautiful mixtape. That shit is beautiful. It's one of the best mixtapes you'll ever hear in your life. One of the baddest motherfucking funkiest motherfucking mixtapes ever.
Uso un marco Scavenger Bridge
That's right,
de
bitches.
25
Call it quality.
con bielas Primo Power Bite,
The
con eje
best.
titanio. También ocupo un plato de Demolition de 23 dientes con pedales Animal Steven Hamilton, en este caso de aluminio, con un motor Animal. También utilizo el tubo de asiento Animal con el asiento Animal Catch Strip.
I seen the inside of my heart again, dark like the flesh on my bone and heavy like the breath of the cold. Plus, I seen land so dry, the trees cry, tears falling like it's autumn, the leaves die. Pre-packaged futures freeze dry.
En la parte de acá adelante uso el Animal Bot Chervo, viene siendo mi parte favorita de la atleta. Los puños Animal Edwin de la Rosa, la tela Animal Janov, con el juego de dirección Fly. También ocupo la horquilla Sunday Morning 2 con aro Eclat, con la masa la Odyssey Bandero 2, con forro Animal Tom White y los pegs los Animal OG.
Beautiful struggling, so I'm used to the bubbling. What I be uttering so hot, it got the homeless people huddling. Haters muttering under breath, who ain't the best? We the scavengers and vultures, picking at what's left. Rise from the ashes like a phoenix, believe it. Flow brand new like a fetus.
En la parte de acá atrás uso el forro Animal Tom White, que alguna vez fue de cara blanca. También ocupo la masa Primo Mix de 8 dientes con el aro Eclat, el cobertor o protector de masa Primo con los pegs los Animal OG.
Caramello color, hella mellow. The fellows run up and hella sorrow when I tell them take and holler. I got that horror vision. They say I'm masochistic. I don't think it's crazy. They call me shady. I'm flattered. Get it? My image is sick. I'm in need of a medic. I should get it. Permanent residence in hospital.
Bueno, este fue mi bike check. Visiten anonymousbmx.blogspot.com y redbmx.com. Nos vemos.
I see the forest through the trees, but only because I cut off the leaves and left them blowing off into the breeze that I create whenever I speak. I cheat, fuck it. I need to